Kuna 2 rows ambayo ya kwanza inaweza kutengenezwa.
Our purpose of starting this exposure or this project, rugby project in Narok town, is to eliminate the norm and also encourage our youth that we can do or we can play rugby in Narok.
There are tournaments that are coming up in November. I would also want to add the local businesses to support our youth through sports in whatever they do.
Tunashuhudia michezo ya rugby ambayo ni hatua kubwa sana katika kuimarisha mambo ya michezo katika kaunti yetu ya Narok.
We like other counties to get this culture and develop it so that we can use this issue of insecurity from youth and also issue of drug abuse by our youth.
Kingine kipya, mchezo mwingine tofauti kabisa.